Natural virgin neem oil is among the absolute best oil for skin and hair on the market today. Fresh and directly sourced from India, neem oil doesn't smell great, but the benefits will amaze you. Neem oil can protect, soothe, and moisturize skin and assist in the prevention of scarring. Neem oil conditions hair and is perfect as a dry scalp treatment. Neem oil is also very effective in assisting with acne. Neem oil has powerful properties that eliminate head lice and act as an incredible bug repellent. Also safe for use on your furry friends, neem oil can be added to any shampoo or conditioner for flea and tick prevention. 100% pure, fresh from India, and the absolute highest quality. Natural virgin neem oil, available in sizes for every application.